Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to use query design to build a new unit from similar units in a project. So in the case where you know that someone has built a very similar unit to this unit, and or you have built one, but you're not really sure where it is or when you built it, um, we can use the Takeoff program to kind of hunt it down. So like I said, we're going to go to the Takeoff program, and then we're going to hit the Create tab. So in the Create tab, there's this Queries area, and then we're going to hit Query Design. So automatically this Show Table window pops up, and under the Tables option, we're going to look for our metal TO table. Alright, so here's our metal TO, and we're going to add once and then twice. So you can add actually multiple times and search for multiple details, but we're just going to do two for today. So close that out. And so we're going to fill out this criteria area right here, and what that's going to do is going to narrow down kind of our unit search. So for the first field, or we're going to skip field and go to table first, and we're going to use metal TO for the first column and the second column as well. So metal TO on both of those, and then metal TO 1 on the last one. So we're going to use 3 columns. For the field now, we're going to use elevation, and actually lists out our units, and then we'll do use for the second column, and then the third column as well. And then we'll sort the units in ascending order. And for criteria, we're going to type in like, open quotation, u star, and then close quotation. And that's going to kind of weed out or filter out any data that doesn't start with the letter U. So pretty much anything that's not a unit is not going to show up. And then for our criteria for our second column, we're going to type in like open quotation star, and we're going to type in our first detail number, which is going to be 1 on 501. And close. The next one, and here we're going to type in our second detail, and then again star 1 on 562. Close. Alright, cool. So then now we'll kind of finish up this criteria area, and the last thing we're going to do is click and drag this elevation over to this elevation. So what that does, it kind of links the two tables here with this little wire thing. But what that does is that it kind of filters out any data that it doesn't include both of these uses. So if it doesn't have both of these, then it won't show up. Cool. But then, you know, that completes all the criteria, and we're going to hit run. Alright, so here's a list of units with all the criteria that we typed in. So like I said, 1 on 501, and then 1 on 562, and then we're going to look at those units and see which one kind of fits our criteria the best. So first one was 296. So we'll look for 296. Alright, and this one only really meets half our criteria. It has detail 1 on 501 here, and then 1 on 562 on the left, but then it has like some other detail here on the right, so it fills half of our kind of requirements but not all of it, so we'll keep looking. And then if we go back to the table, 363 is the next one. So we'll look for 363. Alright. And this one, if you can recall from the elevation, is actually pretty similar to the unit we want. So it has 10501 on the as a sill, and then 10562 on the right, and it looks pretty similar, so I'm gonna use that one. Alright, but that's it, guys. I hope you guys find this useful, and thank you for watching.